What's up guys, FBOMB here from Black Crown Customs, and today we're going to be working on a custom design for this GT AIR 3. Now the graphics that we do have, they are all custom made. This is for a customer whose last name is Bradley. I had him text me an image of his signature, and I actually inlaid the signature onto the back of the helmet for that. This one right here, it looks a little alien, but it's actually designed for the very top of the helmet. And then on the side, he wanted the number 75, which is gonna go on both sides of the helmet. We're gonna get started. Right now, what I'm gonna be working on is actually cleaning the helmet. Prepping is the number one thing that you wanna take care of first. And if any of you guys want to get a helmet wrap like this or custom design, you can hit us up 559-666-1432. Even if you're not local to the Fresno area or the Central Valley, we can take orders out of state. All you got to do is mail us your helmet and we can definitely knock this out for you. Always free quotes. Hit it up with the alcohol. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna attach this piece. I'm gonna start from the top right here. And this piece right here is actually should be perfectly aligned with this. So I'm actually gonna use that as my focus point and then just lay everything down from there. That actually looks really, really good. I'm happy about that. So we're gonna put this one on this one. Now we're going to talk about post heat. Adding regular heat to a helmet versus post heat. Post heat is something that you do after to make sure you got everything. Because if any bubbles are going to come up, it's going to come up during post heat. All right, so that's on there. 75, 75. Now we're going to go ahead and lay the back. That's going to go right there. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so nearly done. We just got to do that top piece right there, which honestly, that's going to be a piece of cake. We're going to lay that in real quick. I like it a lot. There we go. That does not look bad at all. Got Bradley. Boom, boom. Definitely a one-of-a-kind helmet. Black Crown Custom. All right, well, I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you guys have any questions on the process, or if you guys are interested in getting something like this done for your helmet or bike, give us a call or text us 559-666-1432. You can also email us at blackcrowncustoms559@gmail.com, or like us on Facebook, shoot us a DM. We respond very quickly. Till next time, thank you for joining us on an episode of Black Crown Customs, and we will catch you next time.